Hello kids, I hope that you have done the homework questions for exercise 3A, and in today's class let us move further. So now what we have here is we have to multiply with the bigger numbers, and we are given multiplying by a 2-digit number and then multiplying by a 3-digit number. So how we have to multiply with the 2-digit number is shown here. First of all, we have to multiply by the ones and then we have to multiply by the tens in the case of 2-digit number, and after multiplying we have to add both the products. So I'll tell you that how this has to be done. I am taking the same example here, that is 4375 multiplied by 47. Okay, so kids, here this 47 is a 2-digit number. It has 2 digits, right? And this is our digit at ones place, or you can say at unit place, and this is our digit at the tens place. Okay, so now when we do the multiplication with the 2-digit number, first we multiply the upper number with the number at ones place. So here we have 7 at the ones place. So let's start the multiplication. 7 into 5 will give us 35. I am writing 5 here and 3 here. 7 into 7 is 49. 49 plus 3 is 52. So 2 here and 5 here. Now 7 into 3 is 21 plus 5 is 26. 6 here and 2 here. 7 into 4 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. So this is the product by multiplying the given number with the number at ones place. Now, when we multiply the number at the tens place, so we have to leave one place here, okay, because our 10 place, it starts from the second place, so we have to shift the number. So here I am writing cross. You can also write 0. Like in this example, they are writing 0 here. You can write it cross or you can write 0 also, but this cross doesn't mean multiplication. Okay, so this is simple cross, that we are not considering this place for multiplication. Okay, so now let's start multiplying with 4. Before that, let me erase these upper numbers. So what we have is 4 into 5 is 20, 0 here, 2 above. 4 into 7 is 28 plus 2. 28 plus 2 is 30. Again 0 here and 3 here. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 5 here. 4 into 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17 here. Okay. So this is our product. Now kids, the main thing which you have to keep in your mind is you have to write these number at the correct places after multiplication, and when you are multiplying with the number at tens place, you have to shift from one place, and then the other numbers you have to write below the upper numbers, because if you write these numbers incorrectly, your answer will be wrong. Okay, so first we have multiplied the number with the number at tens place, ones place, then multiplied with the number at tens place. We have shifted one place for tens, and after getting these two products, we have to add them. So I'm writing plus here. Now we have to add 5 plus cross, or you can say 5 plus 0 is same number 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 is 5. 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 and 2 carry. So we have this number as the answer. 205625 is the answer of this question. Okay, so the same thing has been done here, and in the case where we have to multiply with a 3-digit number, so when we are multiplying with the digit at ones place, no changes, just simple multiplication. When we are multiplying with the tens place, then shift of 1, so we are writing 10 here, or you can write 1 cross here. Okay, and then if we are multiplying with the number at 100 place, so while multiplying, what we have to do, we have to put 2 crosses or 20 and then multiply. Okay, so let me also tell you how we are doing this. 6945 multiply with 427, which is a 3-digit number. So let's start with 7. 7 into 5 is 35. 5 here, 3 here. 7 into 4 is 28 plus 3 is 31. 1 here, 3 here. 7 into 9 is 63 plus 6 is 66. 7 6 is 42 plus 6 is 48. This is the product when we multiply with 7. Okay, so now 7 is done. Let's move to 2. So this is at tens place, so 1 cross here. Then 2 into 5 is 10, 0 here. Let me remove the upper numbers. Otherwise, they will create confusion. Okay. So 2 into 5 is 10, 0 here and 1 here. 2 into 4, 8 and 1, 9. 2 into 9 is 18. So 8 here and 1 here. 2 into 6 is 12 plus 1, 13. Very carefully, you have to write these numbers below the upper numbers. Okay. And now coming to 100 place. 100 place means we have to put two crosses. One here and the other here. And now the multiplication for 100 place starts from the third place at the 100th place. Okay. So 4 into 5 is 20. Wait, again, let me remove this. Okay. Now 4 into 5 is 20. So 0 here, 2 here. 4 into 4 is 16 plus 2 is 18. 8. 4 into 9 is 36 plus 1 is 37. 4 into 6 is 24 plus 3 is 27. So these are our numbers. Okay. And now what we have to do, we have to add all these. 5 is as is, 1 is as is, 9 plus 6 is 15, 5, 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24 plus 1, 25. Then 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 6, 16. 7, 8 and 1, 9 and 2. So this is the product we were looking for. What we have done, we have multiplied the number with the number at tens, ones place, then tens place and hundred place. Okay, so this is clear. And now we can move further with multiplying with zeros. So this, kids, this is very easy. Supposedly we have a number, let's say 483, and I have to multiply this with 50. So there is no need to multiply it by 50, by this zero. We can keep this zero on side and we can just multiply the given number with 5. Okay, so we have 5 into 3 is 15, 5 into 8 is 40 plus 1, 41, 5 into 4 is 20 plus 4, 24. And then we can add this 0 here. We can put this 0 here, not add also. So this is 24150. This will be the answer when we multiply it with 50. So whenever we multiplying the number with 100, where 0 is at the last, not in between, only at the last, we can directly put here. Like 7 into 4 is 28 and then 2 zeros as is. 33 into 9, we multiply 33 with 9 and we got 297 and we have kept all zeros as is. Okay. Now there is a scenario where we have 0 in between the numbers, like here 5346 multiply with 409. So the first one we have to do the simple multiplication. In the second one, there is no need to show these zeros. You can also add them, but it's better not to not to put zeros here. You can just leave these rows. And then when you move to the next place, the only thing which you have to keep it in your mind is that since now we are moving to 100th place, we have to leave two places here. We have to put two zeros or two crosses here and then do the simple multiplication with the 4. Okay, so this is how we have to do it. Now we have the exercise 3b. So in this exercise, let me take question number first. I'll take question number first. Then I'll take question number C, F, and then I can take question number H. Okay. So do these questions quickly, kids. Simple multiplication. We have 5986 multiply with 42. So first what we have to do here is we have to multiply with 2. That is the number which is present at the ones place. Let's do it. 2 into 6 is 12. 8 into 2 is 16. Plus this one 17. 9 to 18 plus 1 19. 5 into 2 is 10 plus 1 11. This is simple. And then for this number put a cross and start multiplying now. 4 into 6 is 24. 4 here and 2 here. 4 into 8 is 32 plus 2 is 34. 4 into 9 is 36 plus 3 is 39. 4 into 5 is 20 plus 3 is 23. And now we have products from both the numbers. Simply add them. 2, 7 plus 4 is 11. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4 is 14. 9, 10, 11. 3, 4, 5 and 2. So this is our product. Our product is 2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 2. Okay. This is the product. Similarly, we can do question number 6 here. We have 8, 6, 4, 5 and 38. So kids, this is simple multiplication. The more you practice, the more you will be able to perform better. Okay. Maths is all about practice. Now, let us multiply. 8 into 5 is 40. 4 into 8 is 34. 4 into 8 is 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. 8 into 6 is 48. Plus 3 is 51. 8 into 8 is 64 plus 5 is 69 here. Okay. And then we'll put a cross for this 3. 3 into 5 is 15. 3 into 4 is 4 into 3 is 12 plus 1 13. 6 into 3 is 18 plus 1 19. 8 into 3 is 24 plus 1 25. This is the number. Now let's add 0, 11, 5, 18, 12 and 3. So 328510. 328510 is the product. Okay. Now let's do F part. In F we have 403 multiply with 809. Okay, you can write it anyways, but I always prefer to write the bigger number and in the upper part 809 and then multiply by 403. So now we have a 3-digit number multiplication. We have 3 into 9 is 27. 7 here 2. 3 into 0 is 0 plus 3 is 2 here. 3 into 0 is 0 plus 2. So 27. 3 into 8 is 24 directly. Right? Now, I am not multiplying the zeros because we know we'll get all zeros here. So I'm directly going to 4. But we know that 4 is at 100 place. So I am making 100 place here. Okay. This is 4 into 9 is 36. And then 4 into 8 is 32. Okay. So now let us add these numbers. We have 7, 2, 6 plus 4, 10, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 3. This is the required product. 326,027. 3,26,027 is the answer. Now coming to the last part, H, we have 4010 multiplied by 506. So kids, what we can do here is I am just keeping this 0 on side. Okay, I'm writing this as 10, which I will multiply at the last. And now I am multiplying 506 with 401. So multiplying, I will get 506 with 1. With 0, I am not multiplying. I will start with 4, but then 2 places shift. So what we have here is, here in this case, 4 into 6 is 24. 4 into 5 is 20. Okay. And now let's add these numbers. We have 6, 0, 9, 2, 0, 2. This is the number I have got from multiplication. Now I will multiply it by 10. So the total product I will get is 202960 after multiplying this with 10. Okay. So now I hope that you understand all these questions of multiplication, that how we have to multiply with the 2-digit number and how we have to multiply this with the 3-digit number. We'll have to make a shift while multiplying with the number at tens or hundreds, and then just simply add the products. Now let us go to the second question of this exercise. So what is written here is, calculate only till you see a pattern. So let us calculate and let us see if we see any pattern here. So first A part I am doing. I am multiplying 131 with 11. So 131 multiplied by 11 will be 131 with this one, and for this one across first again 131. So we'll have 1441. I'm writing here only 1441. Now let us multiply this with triple one. Wait, let us multiply this with triple one here. So this is triple one. We have 131 again, and then 131 again. Two crosses for this one. 131 again. 1 4 5 4 1. So we have 1 4 5 4 1. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply it with 4 ones. So you can multiply it either ways. Okay, I am doing like this. We have 131. So 4 times 1, and then 4 times 3, 2 crosses again, and again 4 times 1. So I have 1 4 5 5 4 and 1. So I have got 1 4 5 5 4 1. So kids, now we can see a pattern. What we can see here is we are getting 1 4 and 4 1 in the beginning, at the end, in all the question, in all the answers. In the first one we had no 5 in between. In the second we have 1 5 and then 2 5. So that means this product will be 1 4 5 5 5 4 1. Okay, you can multiply and check. It will be this only, because we have recognized the pattern here, that this is the pattern. Okay, now I'm just erasing this part, and let us do the second part of this question, the B part. So in B part, what we have is, I'm writing it here, we have 1 multiplied by 9 plus 2, that is 9 plus 2, 11. Okay, then we have 12 into 9 plus 3. 12 into 9 is 108 plus 3, 111. So this will be something like 1 1 1 1 1, 4 times 1, and then 5 times 1. Okay, so if 2 is there, 2 times 1, 3 times 1, this is the pattern which we have got here. Simple. Now let's do the C part. 101 multiplied by 33. Let's do it. We have 101 and then 33. So we'll get 303 and cross again 303. So we have 4 times 3 here. I'm writing 4 times 3. Next, again let's try to do this. We have 333. I'm doing this part into 101. Okay, so this will be again 333. I'm not multiplying with 0, and with 1 I'm making 2 shifts. Okay, so 3 3 and 3. So we'll have 3 3 3 3 and 6. Okay, so we have 3 3 6 3 3. Now let us do with 4 times this one and see what is the number we are getting here. Although kids, I know that you might have recognized the pattern till now, but still let's do this. So we have 3 3 3 3 for the first one. Second, nothing. Again, for this one, I'm making two crosses. So 3, 3, 3 and 3. We have 3, 3, 6, 6, 3, 3. This is the number we are getting. 3, 3, 6, 6, 3, 3. So what would be the next number? It will be, we have 3 threes in the beginning, we have 3 threes in the end, and then 1 times 6, 2 times 6. Now we will get 3 times 6. Right? So this is how we have to do this question. So kids, I hope that now you have understood that how we have to multiply with 2-digit and 3-digit number. While making multiplication with the 2-digit number, we have to make a one place shift while multiplying with the number at 10, and if we are doing with multiplying with 100 place number, then we have to make a two place shift, and then we have to add all the products. And then if we have any number 0 in between, there is no need to multiply, just leave that row and then we can move to the next number. But again, we have to see that we have to make a shift of the number of places. Okay, then if we have a 0 at the end of the number, there is no need to multiply, we can keep it at a side, and after we will get the product, we can just put that 0 in the end. Okay, so this is all about multiplication, and in the next class we are going to start with the division. So I'll see you all in the next class now. Thank you.